Hi, now I will describe the project part 3. I am Asif Kamal Turjo and here is my partner.
I'm Joydev Sharkar. So now Asif will talk about the project. Then I will start.
I have done 5 tasks of last 10 tasks. I have done the hot school, hot's new, common favorite YouTubes, productive users and collusion users. These 5 part. So I will first describe this 5 part and then my partner will describe the other 5 parts that he has done.
Okay. Moreover, these 10 parts are for the root user, and among of the 10 parts, there are two parts which can be accessed by the registered users. Okay.
Now I will describe the all the 5 parts I have done. So first I have done hot school this part. So uh, so when a user, like for example, I can run the project first. So I sign in with root. So when root first sign in, there is a special feature button, and if the root click this button, he will go to this page where he can see all the all the 10 tasks from this page. So first there is hot school tag. If the root user click this hot school tag, it will show him the videos uh, that have that contains the videos which have all 5-star score. How this is done, so I will describe it. So this page is a special feature for root page. So when this special feature for root page comes, there is this is the hot school tag, and if the root user click this hot school tag, it will get this hot school, and it will find it from the control sublet. So here is the hot school tag, and it will then call a function name hot school. So in this function, uh, it will call another function of user DAO, and the function is 5-star video, and this user DAO will run a query in the database and find all the 5-star rating videos, uh, all the videos that have all reviews which is 5-star. So let's see what is in 5-star video this class. So here we can see that there is a when this function is called, there is a SQL query, and in this query uh, it will first find the reviews that has not a 5-star rating, and from the review table it will uh, minus those ratings. That means it will only find those videos that contains all the reviews of 5-star rating. So it will then extract all the rows of such videos, and then it will create a string list, and then this function will return that list to the control subject class. And in the control subject class, this list is captured in the 5-star this list type of this list type of variable, and it will pass the variable in the uh, hot school JSP class. So here is the we can show you that here is the hot school JSP class. So in this class, uh, I have created a table, and in this table we have those videos that contains all the uh, videos that are 5-star rating, that contains only 5-star rating. So here is the hot school tag, how the hot school tag work. So now there is the hot's new tag. So if the root user click this hot's new tag, it will show the 10 latest videos. It will show the 10 it will show the videos that was posted within last 10 days, and uh, it like uh, sort the most recent one first, and uh, it sorts basically according to date, and most recent one first, and the oldest one in the last. So how this tag works I can show you in the. So here is the hot's new tag, and when the root user click this hot's new tag, he will find the tag hot is new in the control sublet. So in the control sublet, here is hot is new, and then it will call another function called hot is new, and in this function uh, it will call another function of user do, which is 10-day videos. That means this user do function will return those videos that are posted in last 10 days. So here is the query. So you can see that we have brought those date and those url of the videos which are posted within last 10 days, and it will fetch this from the YouTube video list table, and we have checked that whether the difference of the current system date and the posted date is less than or equals to 10, and then we ordered these videos in descending order by the date. So it's run the query and find all the search rows, and it will insert those rows in these video list in this video list type list, and it will return those in the control sublet. So here from the control sublet we pass these list into the uh, JSP class, and the name of the JSP class is hot is new. So here is the hot is new JSP class. Here you can see that we have created two tables, one table for the header, and the below contains the video URL and the date of that video when the video was posted. So here is the page, JSP page of this hot's new tag. So and my next work is common favorite YouTubes. So here is the common favorite YouTubes, and if the root clicks this common favorite YouTubes, he will go to a page where it shows the username list in a drop down menu, and from this list he can select a user, like he can select for example this email, and also another user called this email, and if he submit it, then it shows that there is no common favorite videos between these two. So for example, if we there is also no common favorite videos. So you can see that if the two users of this selected list have some common videos, it will show it in the next page, like for example this page. But all the users I have select, they have no common videos. So currently it is showing nothing. So I'll show how this work. So here is the common favorite YouTubes, and it will get the common favorite YouTube's tag, and from control sublet here is the common favorite YouTube's tag, and it will call this function. And first this function will call a user.do class where this list will where a list will be returned, and this list will contain all the users. So here is the all the users function in the control sublet. We can see that it will run a query where it finds all the users, uh, where it have find the users where user email id is not root. That means it will find all the users except the root. So it will then return the uh, mm, it will then return the control to this JSP class called select two users. And if two users have already been selected, then like it will this class will get all the users who have posted who is in the list, and then all the users will be passed in select two users JSP class. Here is the select two users JSP class. Here you can see that we have showed two drop down menu there. Here is the first user and the second user, and if we submit that menu, it will capture those two users, and it will uh, call a control subject class called two usernames. So here in the control subject class there is the two usernames, and it will call this function. So we get those two users name in these two tags, and pass those tags in another user do class, another user do function, which is called users common favorite list. So this this function will run a query where we have checked that whether the two user have any common video in their favorite list or not. If he has some common videos, then it will return those videos, and then it will return to the control subject class. And I then passed these common favorite list into the common fav.jsp this class. So here is the common fav.jsp class. Here we have captured those videos that are common between these two users. So for example, I am showing you, I will show you that how this works. So for example, here if we select two users, like for example select abrar1 and abrar2, we see that these 1 and 2 they have no common videos in their list. So now I will log in into the system with abrar1 and also with abrar2, and then I will add a common video in their list. So first sign in. So we can now add this video to my I add this video to my favorite to Abrar1's favorite list, and then I log out and then again sign in with Abrar2. And again I add this video to Abrar2's favorite list. Now let's see what happens. Now I sign up with root. Now we can see that this video is in the common favorite list of both Abrar1 and Abrar2. So that's how this common favorite list, common favorite YouTube tag works. So now I will describe productive users. That means those users that have posted at least n number of YouTube videos. So if I go to this productive user tag, then it will uh, ask for the number of videos. That means uh, we have to list those we have to input those numbers for which the user have posted at least those number of videos. For example, I uh, submit like 3, so it will show the users that have those users that have posted more than 3 or more than 3 YouTube videos. So here I can see that there are 2 users who have posted 3 or more than 3 YouTube videos. So again it's work in the same fashion as the community favorite list works. So it will find these productive users in from the control sublet, and uh, here is the productive user tag. I will show you. Here is the productive user tags, and it will first call this function, then it will take it to the post in videos page, this page where there is a text box where we take input from the root and then pass the and if root submit the number, then it will get another tag called post in videos. It will find that post in videos tag from control sublet, post in videos tags. It will call this post in video function, and it will call another user deo class called find productive users, and from these uh, from this function it will return those users that have posted more than the n number of videos. That means I submitted I input 3, so it will return the users that have those have posted 3 or more than 3 videos. So last part is I did the collusion user work. So here is the collusion user. If the root user click this collusion user tag, then it will find this collusion user tag, and it will find this tag from the control sublet. So collusion user, here is the collusion user. This will call a function called collusion user, and it will call another function from user do, which is collusion user list. So here we can see that I have write a very long query where it will find those users that have uh, given 5-star reviews to each videos of each other posted. So for example, if uh, these this first user, he has posted like 3 videos, and this second user, he have posted 2 videos. So this user, second user will uh, give 5-star review to all of his 3 videos, and the first user also will give 5-star review to all of his posted 2 videos. So if like I have also checked some condition, like if he give more than like 1 review, that means for a video of second user, he have given both 5-star review and another review of 1 star. So it will check that in this not exist conditions, and after that it will it will produce a list of that collision users, and return those lists in the control sublet. So control sublet will then pass this list into the collision user JSP class. So here is the collision users JSP class. And in this class it will show the users in the it will show the name of the users who have collision. Like for example, if I click this collision user tag, it will see that Abrar 2 and Abrar 4 have collision because they both have uh, liked each other. They both have gave 5-star reviews to all of each other videos, and also there is another collision users. So now my partner will describe the other 5 tasks that he has done.
Okay, now I will describe the 5 things. Firstly, I am going to talk about the horse hot. This one, if the root will click this the horse hot, then it will show the most reviews videos. That means those videos which are reviewed most. That means the rating is top 10 ratings of the videos, and it was sorted in descending order. Firstly, the most rated video will appear first, and then it will show the least one. So now we will see how actually it works. So in the we can go firstly to the control servlet, and then we can see um, that we have what's hot, but this what's hot actually it comes from the special features. We can see here the tag is called what is hot, and after clicking this feature from the we can go there from this page. This is the special feature page for the root, and here we can see that it goes to the horse hot, and if we click the horse hot this function, then it goes there, and it actually received uh, uh, a list which is actually a video list type list. Video list is actually our Java class. You can see here this is the video list class, and here it capture the videos which has been reviewed by most. Now we can go this user do function. This is the function, and this is uh, also a list video list type function. And then this is our query which actually counts the top recent one videos and also the video URL. And how it works, actually it group by the video URL and count the video URL, and also it limits up to 10. That means only top 10 videos will be shown in our output. So we can see here, this is the next one, and we get the video URL from here, and as well as the count means the number of reviews, sorry, the number of rating actually. And it was added to our list, and this list add here, and this function returns return those the hot videos. And we can go here, and the output is here, that what is hot. So we can see here, if we click the what is hot, we can see this. So now I want to say another thing. That means we have two features. One is what is new, as discussed my partner, and another is what is hot. Both of them also can be accessible by the other registered users. That means root can access all the 10 things, and other registered users, like if I log in from as a other user, then they can also see what is new as well as what is hot. And if they back from there, it is the user homepage, the root homepage. We also implemented from there, that and log out. Now I will go to my root page, and here we can see that we have actually go to the special features, and we can see we have the next one is the top 5 cities. That means the top 5 cities which have the most number of YouTube videos. So we can go here, so we can see that the city Dhaka has 3 number, and other all the cities has that means there are 1 2 3 4 5 cities, and all the cities has only one video. So we can see this one, there is Detroit 0 and Detroit 1, both are different. So now we can back, and we can see how actually it works. So when we click like top 5 cities, and it goes to the control sublet, and in control sublet here is our top 5 cities. So you can see here that where is the top 5. So here is the top 5 cities, this one, and it captures also a video list. That means the city names from this function top 5 cities, it is in user do. So we can see here how can actually we executed our query. Actually we select the count of city name and the city, and we group by all the city name by city name, and ordered by the city name, and this in descending order, and we fix the limit is 5. That means only 5 will be returned. Okay, so and then we get all the city name, and we added uh, the output in the list, and we return the list. Then we can see all the list are returned, and call this JSP page top 5 cities. And we can see, if we will click top 5 cities, then we can see that. But this is for root user. So we'll be back. Then now I want to talk about popular tags. That means those tags which has been used by all user. So you can see this one. So what's the meaning of all user? All user means those user who have posted the video. So it's I think little bit complex, but we made it. So here is the top 5 cities. So when we will click top 5 cities, it goes to the control servlet, and we can see we need to go the top 5 cities. So here is our yeah, this is our top 5 cities. So you can see top 5 cities, and here we also declared a list about the video list. It is our class, actually one of class, and we can define all the things. So here we actually took all the output to the our list, and we can see here is the function of top 5 cities. And in top 5 cities, how can we sorry, it is not top 5 cities, actually it's most popular tag. So you can see this is our most popular tag, so we can click it. And what we did, firstly we took all the user tags, that means all the tag which is used by every user. So firstly, by this function, we take firstly all the user tags, that means this, by this one. Then we parse all the tags using this Java parsing, and we took only the unique one. Like, why did we do that? Because uh, a tag also contains sometimes comma, semicolon, or other things, other punctuations. So for that reason, we need to firstly we have taken only the unique tags, and after that using this Java function, and after that, after taking all the unique tags, we did another query, which is this query. So we find all the distinct email from the popular YouTube video list where email is not in there. That means we search, we find all the distinct email who posted the video, and then we just subtract, or we can say the difference, which email actually does not like that tag, that unique tag. And after that, if our result is 0, that means all the users use that tag, otherwise no one use that tag. So for that reason, we, if the result is 0, then we add those tag to our list and return it to control sublet. And from there we can see the all the most popular tags, high, high, and high, both are different, and this one. So now I want to talk about the positive reviewers. It's very interesting. The positive reviewers actually who gives at least 3-star score. So uh, okay, so we can go this one. Actually, this is the, sorry, positive reviewers, this one. So the what's the positive reviewer who gave minimum 3 stars rating. So you can say those users who gave minimum 3-star ratings in all the videos. So how can we do that? Actually, we can go here, actually here the positive reviews, and we can go the control sublet. Where is the positive reviewers? This one, this is our positive reviewers, and you can see that we take all the positive reviewers here, and we can click it here, and what it did, it's select those users who has rating more than 3. Firstly, we select all the users from the review table, and we make a difference who had not rating 3. If it returns if we finds the user, and that was added to our this string, and we back to this string here, and we can see uh, in this page, this is our positive reviewers page, and we can see all the positive reviewers. So now we have the last one, which is ambiguous reviewers. And what's the ambiguous reviews? That means those user who is did review in the same video 1 star and zero, sorry, one is 5 star and another is 0 star. Those are called ambiguous reviewers. So how actually it did, we can see here, this is, there are two persons, Abrar 0 and Abrar 1, who actually gave uh, on the same video. Actually, Abrar 0 gives 0 star and 5 star in the same video, and Abrar 1 also gives in on another video 0 star and 5-star rating. So we can see here where is our ambiguous. We can see this is our ambiguous reviews, and here actually how can we find the ambiguous reviews. So this is our query that we join the same table and find that if the rating is 0 and also rating the 5, then we find it and we add it all in the list and we back to here. So we have talked all the things of our project part 3. Now if we can back there, and we also added another thing, that means a root user can sign out. It's another feature, and as well as the other user also uh, can do something more. That means it's not root user. Other user can do something more. So here if you search for a new video like this one, and other user also can see all the review and can try to delete the review, but he cannot because it's not posted by him. So we can go to our main page now and log out. So thank you. This is our database part 3. Welcome to City of YouTube videos. If you have any problem, you can see our readme.txt file. All the things are written here and who have done which one, and you can see all the things here, all the steps how can you run this project. So I am Joydev Sarkar and my partner is
I am Asif Kamal Turjo.
so thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. So this is the end of our video.